So our next category is exfoliants and scrubs. Our first is the Micro-Derm Ultra Refining Scrub, a very popular product of ours. And we're using eco-friendly, sustainable bamboo microcrystals, and they're finely honed, tiny little granules that really allow you to polish and focus in on any problem areas. This is our strongest of the scrubs, and we recommend people use it once a week. This is sort of like an exfoliation booster in addition to their normal regimen that they might do a few times a week. And we want to recommend those who really need more exfoliation. And those skin types are going to be anybody with sun damage, pigmentation, aging skin, and congestion. Works really, really well. Awesome in the treatment room too, and there's many different ways we can boost the action in the treatment room with the Micro-Derm. And you can upsell your treatments by charging a little for an add-on with the Micro-Derm scrub. So we have the bamboo microcrystals and also lemon extract and apple extract. So you get those fruit extracts too that'll help to brighten and refine the skin as well. So as I was saying too, definitely you want to focus on those skin types that need more exfoliation. Next is the Apricot Facial Scrub, and this is also found in the 6-step system as well. So it's more of a rich emollient scrub, and the granules that we're using in this scrub are apricot seeds and walnut shells. And something very important about our scrubs is that all the granules are rounded buffered discs. So they will not cut or abrade the skin. They're very gentle on the skin, so you know they're not going to be causing any undue inflammation or anything like that. Rounded buffered discs to gently polish and clear the skin that way. And in addition, we also have the apricot oils. Think very rich emollient with the apricot scrub, ideal for those that are dry, mature clients. The fine herbal scrub, this is also, sort of goes along with the herbal cleanser. So we have the apricot scrub that sort of ties in with the apricot cream cleanser. They're great for dry, mature, emollient, thick, hydrating cleanser and scrub. And then the fine herbal scrub has a lightweight granule, again with the rounded buffered discs of apricot seeds and walnut shells. So you get a little bit of a cleansing and exfoliant in one with this, and you want the clients to use these scrubs that we're talking about now, anywhere from 1 to 3 times a week. The extra fine citrus scrub, ideal for those with normal combination skin. Again, we're using those tangerine oils, orange oils to help combat any over oil production that may be found in the skin. And so if you're going to recommend, the citrus herbal cleanser, the extra fine citrus scrub would be a great partner product to go along with that. We have the Clarify Polishing Mask, and this is a dual action product. There's fine little jojoba beads in there, very gentle, that will scrub the skin, and the base is bentonite clay, so it's very detoxifying. Bentonite clay is one of the most detoxing clays available. So how somebody would use this is they would apply it onto the skin, and then I recommend people a lot of times use this in the shower, so you can let the steam from the shower force the bentonite clay in, force the tea tree oil in there also, those active ingredients, and treat it like a mini mask. So they'd leave it on the skin for 5 minutes or so, and then with wet fingertips they can go in and target any areas of congestion and scrub their skin as well. So we're using tea tree as the ingredient that will fight bacteria. And tea tree is actually comparable in clinical studies to benzoyl peroxide. And we actually don't use benzoyl peroxide due to the sensitizing elements and the excessive dryness that can happen as a result from benzoyl peroxide. And acne is truly an inflammatory condition. So our whole theory and thought process behind treating acne is that we don't want to implement anything that may cause more inflammation. So we're using tea tree oil to kill the bacteria. So great scrub and mask in one, and again, you can use this 1 to 3 times a week. In your treatment room, it's awesome too. Just apply it just like they would at home. Leave it with the steam on and let it, work its magic there, and then you can go in and scrub away.